Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I have some mostly sunny skies currently across the region. Clouds have cleared out and moved off to the east. Going to see the nice sky condition for the rest of the day. We'll see fairly light winds as well. No chance of precipitation or lightning, so in general, a fair day across the region. Temperatures already up to near 45 degrees as of 10 a.m., so those temperatures today could be seeing the upper 40s with a high today of 47, but they are already 45 degrees, so it could be a few degrees warmer than was expected for today across the region. As we move into the next few days, we'll have a couple of cold fronts moving through their area, dry cold fronts, and not going to see any precipitation with those systems. Just in general, going to see some breezier conditions in the area, especially for our Wednesday, and seeing temperatures a little bit cooler behind the cold fronts and a little bit warmer ahead of those in general. So looking at our sounding from this morning, freezing level around 4,000 feet. We have light winds in the low levels and increasing and more out of the westerly component in general today, and up to 125 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we had a weak boundary kind of move through this morning that gave us a little bit more cloud cover, but overall not much in the way of active weather across the region the next few days. Going to have these cold fronts move through. That's going to give us cold front tomorrow morning and then one on Wednesday evening. Going to give us a little bit more breezier conditions, and overall, though, we'll see temperatures warmer than we have seen the last few weeks. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see here mostly clear skies currently across the area, seeing that cloud cover starting to move off the coast continuing this morning. So I'm going to see a good amount of sunshine for today. You can still see that snow cover lingering north of the Maryland-Delaware line and north and west of that, but across our area, most of that snow, or all of that snow, has continued to melt, and just seeing some normal ground conditions across the region. As we move into tomorrow, we'll see some clouds starting to move in from the north and west. That's going to give us some partly mostly cloudy skies for tomorrow morning. Taking a look at the European model the next few days here. We have that boundary move south of our region this morning, and then tomorrow morning we'll have a cold front. You can see here starting to approach from the north and west. That's going to give us a little more cloud cover tomorrow morning and a little bit breezier conditions for our Tuesday morning. Then for Wednesday, we'll have another cold front approaching for the evening hours. Going to see some breezier conditions with that as well. Ahead of that and behind that, and some cooler weather on Thursday across the region. And then for Friday, we'll see a system start to move out of the Mississippi Valley towards the Ohio Valley and towards the Mid-Atlantic. That's going to give us a chance of showers on Friday across the region. We'll see temperatures warmer on Friday as well, looks like in the 50s. And then we'll move into Saturday. It looks like the system continues to move off the coast. High pressure builds in from New England. That should give us a little bit cooler conditions on Saturday across the region. And then Sunday, we'll have another quick moving system, looks like, moving north of the area. Should warm us up briefly for Sunday, giving us a slight chance of a sprinkle as well during the evening hours. So looking at our risk chart today, green chart across the board. As I mentioned, it had a high of 47, but those temperatures already up to 45 as of 10 a.m., so could be seeing those temperatures near 50 degrees for this afternoon. And then overnight, we'll see a low around 33. Our winds today will be light in general this morning, and then turning more southwesterly to south-southwesterly around 5 to 10 knots later on today and this afternoon. And then overnight, we'll see southwesterly winds increasing and have that cold front approaching for tomorrow morning. Southwesterly winds 8 to 13 knots, gusts to 20 knots by tomorrow morning. We'll have VFR conditions in the next 24 hours, seeing a little bit of stratocumulus clouds. There's some fair weather cumulus clouds this afternoon into the evening hours around 5,000 feet, but overall good sky conditions in store for the next 24 hours. Our tides are normal, and looking at Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday, partly cloudy and slightly breezy, a high of 47. Tuesday night, mostly clear and slightly breezy, a low of 34. And for Wednesday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and breezy, a high of 55 degrees. See those winds around 23, 24 knots on Tuesday, so could briefly see a wind advisory in the morning. Wednesday looks a little bit windier or breezier with wind gusts around 25 knots throughout the late morning into the afternoon hours. The next 7 days, temperatures finally seeing those above normal temperatures as we had a continued stretch of well below normal temperatures the last few weeks, as it seems. Temperatures today and tomorrow around seasonable, above average for Wednesday at 55, then back to below average on Thursday with a colder high moving in at 42 degrees for our high. Friday up to 51, and then Saturday and Sunday seeing those temperatures about normal or slightly above normal, with temperatures in the mid to upper 40s and that slight chance of a shower moving in on our Sunday evening. Best chance of rainfall, though, the next 7 comes on Friday with that system moving through the region, with a 60% chance of rainfall right now. But as we get closer, we'll probably increase those probabilities as it looks fairly likely we'll have some rainfall on Friday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15, 10 a.m.